During this brief presentation, we're going to be looking specifically at the dashboard here behind Fireline System Software and Customer Lookup. You'll notice on this Customer Lookup tab that we have a list of all of the customers. This is the job locations and the billing accounts that are seamlessly being linked from the QuickBooks software. If we were to go ahead and pull up our QuickBooks software at this point in time, you'll notice here on our invoice entry screen in QuickBooks, we have a drop down in the top left-hand corner. This would be your list of your billing accounts as well as individual job accounts underneath those billing accounts. Fireline software actually plugs directly into this list in the QuickBooks so that your front screen in the dashboard actually reflects all of those customers. In addition to this, you can also keep lists of prospects and suspects. Now, prospects and suspects might be coming from an Excel spreadsheet or some other place that you've actually imported them into the Fireline software. These would not be tracked in the QuickBooks, and you'll notice by type over here we actually have the different types being listed. QuickBooks customers would be listed as QB, and very frankly, most customers are linking just specifically to their QuickBooks customers in QuickBooks. Looking at the dashboard now, you'll notice that we have the capability of actually pulling up a customer and finding them by first name, last name, customer name, company name, city, address, street name, status, or phone number. Most customers will either look their customers up by name and or by address. Using these methods, it's very simple to arrive immediately at the customer history. If we were to look for a customer by the name of Frank's Steakhouse, we could type into the company field F, and you'll see how the system scrolls automatically to the F's, and R, and we get two of them that match FR. You'll notice we have Frank's Steakhouse very quickly accessible there. The same type of information would happen if we were to type by first name. Let's assume we know that it's Judy at Frank's Steakhouse who's on the phone. As we type the letter J, all of our J's will appear on the list. As we type U, you'll see we only have one JU in our QuickBooks list. Once we select this by clicking the blue button, we go immediately to full customer history in the Fireline software. We will actually address the history screen in a different session. Let's exit and save and go back to our dashboard again. And this time, let's go ahead and look up a customer by the actual street name. Let's assume we're looking for everyone who's on State Street. And all of our customers that are on State Street would appear. This might be useful if you're looking specifically for all the customers within a geographical area for reference purposes. Another way, of course, would be to go ahead and type by address. If I knew this person was on 9 Silk Street, you'll see I could start to type that and we'll find that customer very quickly as well. This is a very simple way to find your customers very quickly and a very powerful way to go immediately directly to the customer history screen.